This is one of my CentOS server, and here you can see when I'm trying to start the server, it is not starting, it is giving me error. Also, I have tried with all the kernels to start, but it is not working. So in this video, we are going to fix this issue. And before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a new batch for RHCSA, and it's a complete online course. Course fees only 999. It's a very nominal fees, and these are the course highlight. This course is job oriented, 100% practical. You will get uh, course having 20 classes, and each class having 1 hour 30 minutes, and you will also get all class recording as well as the PDF material. Let us start the video. I have attached the ISO image, and now to start the server in ISO image, what I have to do, I have to go to the BIOS and I have to make the CD drive as the fast boot so that it will start with the ISO image. Now server started with ISO image. Here we need to select the troubleshooting option, hit enter. Now we need to select rescue CentOS stream system so that the server will start in a rescue mode. Rescue mode started. Press 1 to continue. Hit enter here. Let me check if some files are there or not in the server. Now run the command chroot/mnt/ccroot. Now you can see all files are started showing here. And dracut -force -regenerate -all ampersand grub2 -mkconfig -o /boot/grub2/grub.cfg. It will repair the grub file. It will also take some time, so we have to wait here. Completed. Exit. Again exit. It will restart the server. Now here the server again started with the ISO image, but I have to remove the ISO image so that server will start normally. Server started without an error, asking for the credential to log into the server. So issue resolved. So this is the way you can use to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.